kesal dengan waktu yang tak pernah berhenti bergerak. Berhenti sejenak agar ku bisa menikmati tawamu. Ingin berdiri bisa melangit, menggenggam erat jari-jarimu, mendengarkan lagu Cilok seperti waktu itu. Saat kau di sisiku, dan tunggulah di sana memecahkan cahaya hidupku. Berwajah denganmu mengelilingi kota, menikmati surya berawan menghilang hingga kejamnya waktu menarik paksa dari pelukku. Lalu kita kembali menabung rasa rindu, saling mengirim doa sampai nanti sayangku. Jangan pergi harapanmu, tak jauh aku benci khawatir. Saat kau tak menyadari, aku tak suka bertanya-tanya. Hidupku bakal hilang sekali, bencana-bencana yang di kita. Namun kau selalu meyakinkanku untuk bukan percaya, bukan kau tak curiga. Dan tunggulah aku di sana memecahkan cahaya hidupku. Berwajah denganmu mengelilingi kota, menikmati surya berawan menghilang hingga kejamnya waktu menarik paksa kau dari pelukku. Lalu kita kembali menabung rasa rindu, saling mengirim doa sampai nanti sayangku.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Have you got no shame? You looking insane, turning up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame? You looking insane. Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? get that shit inside your head. No, no, yeah, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be reasoned, but don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you, but do you want to come on? I scooch on over close.